If your lead flow looks like a roller coaster, you're a real estate agent in distress. Enter GoHighLevel, the ultimate game changer. For years, Mark Thompson struggled with inconsistent lead generation and missed opportunities. Running ads, networking, relying on referrals, nothing worked. Then he discovered GoHighLevel. With GoHighLevel, Mark automated his entire lead generation and follow-up process. Custom landing pages, automated SMS and email sequences, AI-powered appointment booking, it was a complete game changer. Within 90 days, his lead conversion rate shot up by 70%, and sales pipeline efficiency skyrocketed by 300%. No more chasing leads or wasting time on follow-ups. Mark's business became predictable, freeing him to close more deals and scale his agency. Real estate agents, if you're ready to take control and close more deals, try GoHighLevel today. Visit the link in the description and start your free trial now. Don't let another lead slip away. Revolutionize your business with GoHighLevel.